Welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to explain how you can create a catalog for your WhatsApp bot. So this is my WhatsApp bot here. Let's go to WhatsApp automation, click on catalog. Then we need to create the catalog first. So you have two options here. Go to Meta, connect with your Facebook account and create the catalog there in your Meta business page. Or you can also go to Shopify if you have a Shopify website. But for now, I am clicking here, go to Meta. Okay, so this is my account, my personal account. And now what I will do is, I'll click here, add catalog. Choose the page. Choose your business portfolio for which you want to create the catalog. Give a name to your catalog. Then click on next. So if you've got some details here, even then it's fine. If you haven't got anything here, even that's fine. So just click on next. Here also click on next. So now you've got two options of how you want to upload the products to your catalog. So one option is this. You can upload a spreadsheet file which has got all the details about your product, or you can manually add your products by adding the picture and description, price and everything. So we'll go by this option. Manually add your products, then add products. Okay, so now we have to fill in these details and 5 products are mandatory to be added in the catalog. So I'll add just 5 of them.
So
So
give
a title to your
picture.
product, give a description, then the website link, price of the product, then the other fields are optional. Sale price, Facebook product category. So this is again optional. Condition is mandatory. Then availability. So all these things you can add as per your convenience or as per your business requirement. So likewise, please add 5 of the products. So please provide a proper description here for your product. For reference, I am just adding 2 words. So once you've entered all these details, just click on Upload Items. So our catalog is created with the name footwear_products. So now I've created my catalog, and the next step is to connect that catalog to my WhatsApp account. And how I can do this is go to a new tab, type business.facebook.com, select the business portfolio, like this is the one I'm using right now, and then click on business settings. And now go to WhatsApp accounts, go to WhatsApp manager, and here click on catalog. So now you need to choose the catalog that you have created. Enter your catalog's name. So this is my catalog that I just created, and then connect catalog. You can also view the catalog to see if this is the same catalog that you have created, but I know that this is the one, so I'm clicking on connect catalog. Okay, so now my catalog is successfully connected with my WhatsApp account, which is on this number. So what I will do is go back to my BotPenguin dashboard. The third step is to activate the WhatsApp catalog, right? So the catalog that we have created, we need to activate it. Since I have activated many catalogs before, so this button shows reconnect, but if you're doing it for the first time, it will say connect for you. So the next step would be to click on this button, connect or reconnect, whatever is showing for you. So I'll click here. This is the page I'm redirected to. Continue with your personal account, then get started, then click on next. Choose your WhatsApp bot, click on next, choose your catalog. Since I've got so many, But if you got just one, so choose that one. Click on continue, then click on continue and finish. So your catalog has been successfully connected with your WhatsApp bot. So let's just check it. And how do we do that? Go to your bot, edit your chat flow, select any chat flow. So we're going to check here if we are able to see that catalog that we have just created and connected. And yes, it is there. So this is how we create the catalog, connect to the WhatsApp account and activate it on the same WhatsApp account. And that's it for today's video.